Here we will write a Python program to generate random numbers from a given range and store in list. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. For this we will import random class. So import random, then we will define empty list, then we will accept number of random numbers that we are going to generate. So n equal to int input, enter number of random numbers to generate, then we will accept range from the user. So starting number equal to int input, enter starting range, then we will accept ending number. So int input, enter ending range, then we will use for loop. So for I in range 0, n, then we will generate random number as r equal to random dot, we will use function rand int from that class from starting number to ending number, and we will store this random number to the list. So l dot append r, and after completing for loop we will print the list. Then we will save this, then we will execute this. It will ask to enter number of random number to generate. I will give 5, and I will give starting range as 10 and ending range as 30. It will print 5 random numbers from the range 10 to 30. If we execute again, I will give same numbers, that is starting range as 10, ending number as 30. It will print random numbers from the range 10 to 30. Since number are random, every time it will generate new numbers.